guys, if you are here to watch a Stitch Fix unboxing video. It is July, it is the year of 2022, and I do have a theme I've picked out for this box, and I tried to dress accordingly, and now I realized as I'm framing out this video that it looked like I was topless at one point, but I'm just wearing a dress, and that is because the theme of this video is Bachelorette party, because I asked my new stylist to pick out some things that would be good for some Bachelorette parties I have coming up within this next year. Honestly, I'm kind of digging this dress right now as maybe just a not a wedding dress for like my wedding, but as a attendee, I would say, of a wedding. So let's go ahead and dive on in here. Probably don't need to tell you what Stitch Fix is, but if you're unaware, it is a clothing subscription service. Now, basically you get sent 5 items picked out by the algorithm and or your stylist, depending on who you listen to. I believe they both have a significant part in who picks out what clothes these days. But anyways, you get sent 5 items. If you like them all, great, you get a discount. If you don't like any of them, no issue, because they send you a prepaid mailer to send everything back in. Each box also does come with a note from your stylist and also the invoice, which we look at last around here, even though I do probably know the prices of most of these. Now, I do believe during my preview, I picked 3 out of the 5 items. I don't quite remember exactly, as usual. But yeah, let's go ahead and see what my stylist has to say. And I decided to keep the last stylist from the last box, I believe. And that is poor Pupper Roxy. It's not Bark Box Diet, but she's still sad. Anyways, hello Amanda, happy fix day. It's a pleasure to be styling you again. Oh, there's a typo. Well, we'll just move on. Your summer sounds like it's going to be filled with lots of fun events and wonderful memories being made. I am loving the 4 pieces. Oh, I picked 4 pieces. You picked from your Fix preview. Those are all great dresses and a jumpsuit to wear for Bachelorette party weekends. Thanks for your request for a lounging by the pool wear. The Laria crochet trimmed open front woven by Violets and Roses and the Aubrey distressed fray hem shorts by STS Blue will be great layered over your swimsuit and will be perfect for lounging by the pool. I hope you have lots of fun at your Bachelorette parties. Please let me know what you think of this fix. Your feedback is important and helps me to get to know more about you and your style. If you have any requests for the next fix, please let me know. Peace and love, Alicia. Okay, I definitely did not pick the shorts, I can tell you that. I remember picking 2 dresses and a jumpsuit, which all floral print. I will say the cardigan or the woven that she sent, I'm pretty sure I already own it in yellow, but you know what? Let's just go ahead and dive on in. Let's see for ourselves. And let's take a look at this bundle. And yeah. So it looks like the top item is the jumpsuit, which again, it is a lovely floral print. The fabric is actually more cotton. I don't know if I've ever gotten a cotton jumpsuit before. Normally the ones they send me are polyester, but yeah. Other than that, we do have this stretchy detail in the back, which I'm guessing will make it feel a little bit more fitted. The straps are adjustable. In this light, it's showing up a little bit more pink, but on camera it's showing up a little bit more white, which white can be tricky. It does have pockets. And then as far as front details go, it looks like it is just a V-neck and nothing else. And yeah, I'm excited about cotton. Should be nice because these Bachelorette parties are going to be hot. Anyways, we'll look at this woven, which I'm looking at it in person. I'm like 90% sure I've already owned this, or I've already bought this. Yeah, but I'm not mad about it. / I think the note, I'm a little confused. I need to double check something. Oh, okay, no. Yeah, I own this. I own this in a different color, but it's fine. I did ask in my last box for no repeats, so I'm kind of annoyed, but it's whatever. I mean, she's not wrong. This would be cute for like lounging by the pool in my swimsuit, but it's probably returned unless someone wants to really see it on my Poshmark shop. Anyways, moving on. Okay, so technically this next dress isn't a floral print. It's a fruit print. And on the app, I saw so many people get this dress because this print is just freaking adorable. And to be honest, I'm pretty sure I actually already have this dress, just not in this print. And so there's a very real chance I'll try this on and send it back because I already have this dress. But it's really cute. I know, life is hard, isn't it? But basically it is a cotton dress with a back detail that looks like yay. And this is one of those dresses where you can low-key get away with not wearing a bra, or at least I can. This next dress is, it's like that weird marriage of like cotton and polyester, if that makes sense. And it's showing up definitely more orange in the camera, but it's more hot pink and real. It's like Barbie pink, honestly. And yeah, I mean, honestly, it's just whatever, but I thought the bright color might be fun for bachelorette parties, get more attention. I don't know. Tell me your thoughts down below. Otherwise, it's just a simple V-neck. Nothing to write home about. And then lastly, we'll look at these shorts, which, I mean, to me, they look just like a basic short, nothing to write home about. But we will try them on, / I have a bad feeling I need to size up. I think I might need to change my sizes in Stitch Fix, guys. Anyways, we'll go ahead and try these bad boys on and I'll get back to you. Also, what do you think of this makeup look for a bachelorette party? Yay? May? I like it. I'm digging it. Anyways, I'm gonna go give this poor dog some attention because no one ever loves her ever. Anyways, stay tuned. Okay, so pardon the bloating. I'm aware it's not a good look right now, but this is my bathing suit top. This is probably one of the ones I'm going to pack for one of my bachelorette parties. I did confirm I do already wear this or have this woven, but it is getting a good idea to maybe wear it with this swimsuit top. I do just have this in yellow, so I think same thing, but in yellow. And as far as these shorts, I'm not super impressed. They're not as small as I thought they would be. They're kind of gappy in the back. They're not my favorite, and I really don't need another pair of just, boring booty shorts. So I am thankful for my stylist for unintentionally giving me a cute outfit idea, but these are both probably getting sent back. Okay, so here is what I'm calling the Barbie dress. Again, it's showing up a little bit more orange on camera than it is in real life. Just ignore how bad the farmer's tan lines are at the moment. I'm going to get better at this self-tanner nonsense to help even out some of these tan lines, but oh boy, nothing like filming to make you realize how bad it looks. Anyways, I just paired these with a simple pair of shoes that I've had for, oh goodness, probably like a decade now, but I think are a really cute just going out pair of shoes, especially for bachelorette parties. Now, there is something like a little clasp up here to make this go higher, and I just thought that looked a little too matronly. So what I did, just left it unclasped and just kind of, let the girls free roam, if you will. I think it's a little bit more of a flattering look. Now this dress clearly does need a little bit of ironing or steaming. You can kind of see the wrinkles on it, but it does have pockeys, which is always the good news. Who doesn't love a dress with pockeys? I do really like how lightweight this is. And I'll be honest, I did not think this dress was going to be, I don't know, my favorite. I thought it was just a little too boring, but the more I wear this, the more I'm like, this would be really cute. So, or it is really cute. I don't know why I'm saying would be, like, this is cute, guys. Anyways, let me know what you guys think. So here's the next dress with the same pair of shoes. So yes, I do already own this dress in another print. However, look at this dress. She's cute, right? Look at that back detail. She's cute, right? This would be perfect for any number of events, whether it's a bachelorette party, a fun summer day out, seeing the sights, maybe going to your botanical gardens, just, living your best life. Like, I'm gonna have a hard time saying no to this one, I'm not gonna lie. Someone with some sense down in the comments, tell me to return it. Please help me. Okay, and last but not least, here is the jumpsuit. So I am a little worried it's a little too maybe tight in the midsection, and I don't know why this lighting is being a dum-dum all of a sudden. There we go. Beautiful. Anyways, you can kind of see how it's a little tighter than I would like it to be in the midsection. I am not wearing the correct underwear with this because it is Shark Week, so it probably doesn't help with this whole factor of it all, even though I do think overall the design is very cute. I am wearing the same heels with it just because it was a little long otherwise. I do really like this. Again, I think I've said this before, I love the idea of a nice jumpsuit. I already have a couple, but just don't know if this will work. I mean, it's always good to have aspirational clothing. Like sometimes I think about, oh, this will look cuter if I just lose some weight. It doesn't help again that I'm like super bloated right now because it's Shark Week. However, I don't know. I like it. My only other critique about it is it sits up a little too high for my liking here. I'm just gonna be honest, I'd rather it be a little bit lower cut, show off the goodies a little bit more. But this is also like, I could picture getting on a plane or going on a cruise, like walking aboard the ship with this and like a nice jacket or something. It would be super cute. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below, but we're gonna go read the invoice. I guess something else I should mention about this is also just too white adjacent. That's problematic because I'm messy and it's gonna stain. So it should be a no. The jumpsuit should be a no. Let's take a look at this invoice. So the cardigan that is in pink that I already own in yellow is $42. That'll be getting returned. The shorts, which were really just honestly nothing to write home about. I really don't need another pair of shorts. Those are $46. This jumpsuit that I'm wearing right now, another thing I should point out, they usually send me polyester jumpsuits. This is the first cotton one I've gotten. Anyways, this is $74, so it is a little bit pricey. And then, sorry, confused. They're calling what I'm calling the Barbie pink dress a red dress. That is $54. And then the lemon dress is $48. So if I were to keep all 5 items, the total would be $264. However, if you keep all 5, you do get a 25% discount. So the new subtotal would be $198. I do currently have Style Pass, and I did recently just renew and got a $50 credit again, just because it auto renewals unless you tell it not to. So I do have $50 in credit. I did see someone did try to use my referral code recently, but it didn't go through. It doesn't go through until I believe you get sent your first box, which is a bummer, but I do appreciate the thought, those of you who have attempted to get me free credit. Like, thank you so much. It really does just brighten my day. You know, but anyways, if you are actually interested in trying out Stitch Fix for yourself, I will leave the referral code down below in the description box. I will also leave a link to my Poshmark shop. A lot of my Stitch Fix rejects end up down there, as well as just some other clothes that maybe I'm not feeling anymore or don't fit me anymore. I try to be as eco-friendly as possible. Sometimes I do decide to keep all 5 items in the box because the 25% discount is just too good to pass up if I'm going to wear maybe like all but 1 or 2. But I think for this box, I'll probably just keep the red/pink dress and the lemon dress if I'm going to keep anything, but I'll give this a day or 2 to mull over. Let me know what you guys think in the comments box down below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider doing all the things that make the YouTube algorithm more likely to suggest my video to other people, such as liking, sharing, subscribing, commenting, and turning on that notification bell. Anyways, stay cool out there, friends. It is stinking hot, stupid, and I hate it, and it's like over 100 degrees every single day this week, and everything's just dying, including my spirit. So anyways, stay cool out there. Have a nice day, guys.